Ever wondered about the impact of the cleaning products you use daily on the environment? Well, let's dive into that topic today. Chemical cleaning products are integral to our lives. They keep our homes, offices, and other spaces sparkling clean. But while they're working hard to keep our surroundings sanitary, they might also be working in ways we don't necessarily want them to. That's right, these everyday products could be inadvertently causing harm to our environment. Let's start with water pollution. Think about what happens after you scrub your bathroom floor or wash your dishes. The cleaning product you've used doesn't just disappear, does it? It goes down the drain, mixes with our water supply, and eventually finds its way into our seas, lakes, and rivers. These chemicals can carry hazardous and toxic components, posing a significant threat to aquatic ecosystems. Imagine that our quest for a clean home could be causing a ripple effect of harm in the world's waters. Next up is soil pollution. When these cleaning products come into contact with the ground, they can poison the soil and potentially harm plant life. This can decrease the fertility of areas and lead to disturbances in agricultural and cultivation fields. Our pursuit of cleanliness might be inadvertently causing the ground beneath our feet to become less fertile and less conducive to plant life. Air pollution is another often overlooked consequence. Some substances within chemical cleaning products evaporate and release vapors into the air. This can diminish air quality both indoors and outdoors. Certain cleaning agents contain volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs, that may contribute to respiratory problems. So the air we breathe could be impacted by the cleaning products we use. These are just a few examples of how chemical cleaning products, while essential for maintaining cleanliness, can also have a hidden impact on the environment. We'll delve deeper into these issues in the following scenes. So, as we can see, there's more to our cleaning products than meets the eye. Scene script. Let's dive deeper into the first issue, water pollution. Imagine a typical day at home. You're cleaning the kitchen, scrubbing the floors, and washing the windows. Each task requires a different chemical cleaning product, and each of these products eventually goes down the drain, disappearing from sight. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Unfortunately, that's far from the truth. When these chemical cleaning products mix with water, they journey through our drainage and sewage systems. This cocktail of chemicals doesn't just vanish, it infiltrates various water sources like our seas, lakes, and rivers. What we're left with is a hidden but potent form of water pollution. These chemicals aren't harmless. They carry hazardous and toxic components that pose a significant threat to our aquatic ecosystems. Picture the vibrant life beneath the water's surface, the darting fish, the swaying plants, the tiny organisms that form the base of the food chain. Each of these creatures can be adversely affected by the chemicals we wash down our drains. Some chemicals can directly poison aquatic life, causing immediate harm. Others are more insidious, disrupting reproductive cycles, growth patterns, and even the genetic makeup of these organisms. The consequences aren't confined to the water either. They ripple up the food chain, affecting birds, mammals, and ultimately, us humans. And let's not forget about the broader ecosystem implications. Healthy water bodies play a crucial role in our planet's well-being. They regulate climate, provide habitat for a myriad of species, and support human livelihoods. But water polluted by chemical cleaning products can't perform these roles effectively. This means that our actions at home can have far-reaching impacts on the global environment. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? The simple act of cleaning our homes can contribute so significantly to water pollution. Clearly, the products we use to keep our homes clean can make our waters anything but. Next up, we tackle the problem of soil pollution. When we think of cleaning products, we often picture sparkling countertops, fresh-smelling bathrooms, and gleaming floors. What we don't usually consider is the aftermath once these products have served their purpose. They don't just vanish into thin air. In fact, they can leave behind a significant impact on our environment, particularly in our soil. Chemical cleaning agents often come into contact with the ground through various means, perhaps through disposal or even accidental spillage. Once in the ground, these chemicals can act as slow-acting poisons, contaminating our soil. This contamination doesn't just sit quietly, it actively harms the life that depends on the soil. Consider the plants that grow in our gardens, parks, and farms. These organisms rely on the soil for essential nutrients and a stable growing environment. When polluted with harsh chemicals, the soil can become a hostile environment for plant life. This can lead to a decrease in the health and vitality of these plants, potentially causing them to wither and die. And it doesn't stop there. The fertility of the soil itself can be compromised. Soil fertility is crucial for the growth of crops in our agricultural fields. When this fertility is disrupted, it can lead to a significant reduction in crop yields. Imagine a world where our fruit trees stop bearing fruit, our vegetable patches grow barren, and our fields of wheat turn into lifeless patches of dirt. That's the grim reality we could face if our soil continues to be polluted by these chemicals. Moreover, this soil pollution can also disrupt the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Many organisms, from insects to small mammals, rely on healthy soil for their survival. When the soil is polluted, these creatures can suffer, leading to a ripple effect throughout the food chain. It seems that our cleaning products can leave a mark even after they've been washed away. Finally, let's take a look at how these products can affect the air we breathe. As we go about our daily cleaning routines, it's easy to overlook the invisible impact of the products we're using. But just because we can't see it, doesn't mean it's not there. You see, some substances found in our everyday cleaning products can evaporate at room temperature. When this happens, they release vapors into the air. This process is known as volatilization. It's a fancy term, but all it really means is that these chemicals are turning into gases, and these gases can spread throughout our homes and into the outdoors. But why does this matter, you might ask? Well, simply put, these vapors can contribute to air pollution. They can mix with other pollutants in the air to form ground-level ozone, a key component of smog. This is not just an environmental issue, but a health issue too. Many cleaning products contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs for short. These VOCs are a group of chemicals that easily become vapors or gases. Some are associated with various health problems, particularly respiratory issues. So, while you're scrubbing away, you could be breathing in these harmful gases. Exposure to VOCs can cause symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, and irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat. More seriously, long-term exposure may lead to chronic respiratory problems, allergic reactions, and even some types of cancer. Now, it's important to note that not all cleaning products will have this effect, but many do, and it's often hard to know which ones are the culprits because manufacturers aren't always required to list every ingredient on their labels. So, as we move about our homes, offices, and other spaces, cleaning and freshening up, let's remember that there's more than meets the eye. The very products we use to make our environments cleaner could be making our air dirtier. So, even when we can't see them, our cleaning products can still be affecting us. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to mitigate these environmental impacts. Let's dive into some solutions and alternatives that are within our reach. One of the most effective ways to reduce the environmental damage caused by chemical cleaning products is to switch to environmentally friendly alternatives. These products are often plant-based, biodegradable, and free of harmful chemicals, making them a safer choice for both the environment and our health. For instance, consider cleaners made from vinegar, baking soda, or lemon juice. They are just as effective as their chemical counterparts in many cleaning tasks, yet they leave no harmful residue behind. Plus, they are inexpensive and readily available in most homes. Additionally, some companies are now producing green cleaning products. These are specifically designed to minimize environmental harm while still providing a high level of cleanliness. They are typically made from renewable resources, are biodegradable, and do not contain phosphates or other chemicals that can harm water systems. But it's not just about what we use to clean. It's also about how we dispose of these products. Proper waste management practices play a crucial role in reducing the environmental impact of cleaning products. For example, rather than pouring leftover cleaning solutions down the drain, consider taking them to a local hazardous waste collection facility. This ensures that they are disposed of safely, preventing them from infiltrating our water and soil. Moreover, we can adopt practices like using less product, reusing containers, and recycling packaging. These simple actions can significantly reduce the amount of waste produced and the demand for new products, further lowering our environmental footprint. In conclusion, while chemical cleaning products do pose risk to our environment, we're not helpless. By making conscious decisions about what we use to clean and how we dispose of these products, we can significantly reduce these risks. With the right choices, we can all play a part in protecting our environment.